Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about the 3D tutorial for beginners inside Autocad, right? So remember one thing, whenever you are going to make 3D models, remember for three things: whether you will be extrude that region or you will create the cutouts. I think there is nothing except these two things, right? So first of all, you need to draw something like REC for rectangle. I will add a rectangle like this. Press escape to get outside of that command. Now I will extrude. For that I will enter EXT, enter, and now I will select this region, press enter, and give the extrusion of 12 and hit enter. Now this is extruded. If you look at here in isometric view, see, so every time just you have to create that region in 2D, and by extruding them up to certain height by giving the value of height, right? So now what you can do, remember one thing, whenever you are dealing with the 3D, then you have to know about the setting of the UCS. Now if you look at the UCS, the Z direction is upward. It means whenever you draw something on any plane, either here or either on top of this, what you can see the same over here is whenever you want to go for extrude, it will extrude in the Z direction. So now most of the time we don't want to be having in this direction. So how can you change and play around with your UCS? This is really the tricky point. If you know this, I think 3D is not really the critical problem for you. So to do this, if for example I just want to extrude on this face, so I must probably change the direction of the Z to this way, right? So for that I will enter UCS, enter, and now here you can have lots of the option: faces, name, object. So I will just simply enter F, and now be careful to select this face, and I will select enter. Now as you can see, my Z direction align with this face. So now whenever you draw anything, like suppose I want to draw like this, and EXT, enter, and select this region, and now you can see I'm extruded in this direction. Now next thing that is really important for me is to just E for erase by selecting the object. Again I will draw a circle like this, see. Now I will extrude EXT, enter, select the object, right click and drag in this direction. Now in 3D there is nothing, just subtraction and addition of the parts, right? So I will subtract this region. For that I will enter SU, select the bigger object, hit enter, and then the object that you want to subtract and hit enter. See, if you want you can add some fillet like F for fillet, R for radius, and I will enter 1 and select this region and hit enter, again hit enter. See, double click on middle mouse button to just fit your view. So hope you got the point. 3D is nothing. This is really important just to know about how can you set the UCS. Again, if I want to set my UCS along this face, for that I will enter UCS, enter, F, enter, and choose this face and hit enter. See, my UCS got along with this face, right? So now whenever you want to draw, like C for circle, sorry, it gets the lower base face, and as you can see over here, right? So you can extrude like in this way. So all the best and keep watching. Best of luck. Make sure to subscribe to this channel.